we're gonna tow that sucker. What is going on, ham fam? Good morning, afternoon, evening, whoever is time for watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. We got some great content on the way. Today's video, it's the end of the day. Sorry, the yard's a little messy. We just, I don't know if you can see way over there. All them trees over there? Yeah, we just moved all those trees. But yeah, so here's the John boat. It is a 1943 1542. Yeah, and she's a little dirty. So we're about to take her out, get her pressure washed. Boat Lock, great sponsor. Love you. And we got some more Boat Lock goodies for the truck actually coming soon, because Gen Y, like I said in the last video, if you peep that, Gen Y got us a new hitch. So yeah, but yeah, it's got a nice Havoc red leg stencil pattern on. I know a lot of you like that video. It's got over 40,000 views. If you haven't looked at it, I believe it'll tag right here on the screen top right, so you can go watch that video. Like I said, I got this boat for like $1,200. Did not look like this when I got it. Not a bad boat. It's got a PT 130, I think. You can handle up to like 130 horsepower engine. Usually the smaller ones are on these boats, but I went a little overkill. I had a little jack plate for it, but this motor doesn't have tilt and trim. It's a little ugly. We're gonna be getting a new motor here in the summer. Do not worry. Probably trying to get a little 50 or 40 horsepower motor, and that should push this thing to like around 40 something, 45 mile an hour, which is plenty fast. And I just really want something more reliable. I mean, this motor is fine, but like I just want a newer, more reliable motor, you know, and something that looks a little better. This motor is like a 1984, I think. So we're about to pull this out, pressure wash that, because I need to put that back on the truck once we get it wrapped for Daytona. And yeah, so. Change of plans. We're gonna install the Gen Y hitch, and we're gonna tow that sucker. Ugly. Ugly. All right. Look at that. Bench made. You already know the deal. Let's get it. Let's get right into it. Right off the bat, you get the new Rebel X. These are lighter weight towing capacity hitches, and they're also lightweight as well. So that's why they have these cool designs on them. But I got the heavy duty one, the megaduty. I think I got a 10-inch drop. If I wasn't mistaken, I had like four positions. Oh, I can't wait to get this powder coated with my McGoy 7 to 9 inch lift. It's gonna look awesome compared to a quote-unquote normal hitch. Look at that. That is nice. Now the cool thing about these Boat Lock locks right here, receiver locks. Now obviously you can have your normal one, and then you could buy like the little cheap ones that you know get a certain key with. But with these right here, these are designed to work with your car key, right? So your regular truck key that you put in your truck, crank it up, you can use that. All right, instead of having 20 million keys on your keychain, to just use it for your bolt locks, your receiver locks. So that way it's really convenient. These are weatherproof. They last a very long time, and Boat Lock is a very great company. So I highly suggest, if you have a cluttered keychain, look at Boat Lock. They'll get you right. Now this is for the GM model, right? Early Chevrolet, Cadillac, Buick, GMC. They have all the brands. Don't worry. And like I said, over there, my truck key opens up my trailer hitch for my boat. So that right there, really convenient as well. That way no one steals your boat. All right, so I'm about to learn you on how to install these. So put the pin in right there. And these have a little sticker on the key lock right here. And don't take it off until you're ready to install. And then you're gonna insert it. Hold on. Insert it and turn it clockwise until it stops. All right, after that, hold on, focus. After that, close your cap, fully weatherproof, not going anywhere. And it looks really nice. So we're gonna install the ball right now, put it for the 2-inch side. Now I got the drop because I am gonna be putting the 7/8 or 7/9 McGoys on here, and it is gonna raise the back up a lot. I also have 2-inch drop shackles in right now. So it's not as big as it is gonna be. So it looks a little overkill right now, but rest be assured, it will be pretty big coming soon. All right, that took way longer than I wanted it to, but let's see what we can do with all this nastiness, folks. Got that old ugly mailbox decals off. Got most of the leaves sprayed out. We're about to spray her on down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Clean boat, baby. I'm gonna go re-register tomorrow and get some nice new decals on there. And then hopefully this summertime we'll have a nice little duck boat build, baby, with a nice little 40 or 50 on there. I'm definitely trying to stay with Yamaha, a little lighter than Mercury, pretty sure. But we gotta, you know, get a speaker system up here. Get all this turfed, platformed in. That can stay, but we still have to get it turfed. And then she'll be looking fuego, boys and girls. But anyways, if you liked today's video and you like the Gen Y hitch install with the bolt lock tutorial, she's looking fire, baby. Once we have the 7/9 and some 38.5s under her, we'll definitely be using those drop hitches to our advantage. Those hey Hunter.
Hi.
And yeah, so it's gonna be looking nice. But if you did like today's video and you enjoyed and you like the Gen Y hitch install as well, drop a like and subscribe. It really helped me a lot, and it means a lot as well. So without further ado, see you next time.